Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to see how to replace a WeCare 130 G23 sensor. Please listen carefully the few steps to follow for the swap procedure. First of all, you'll need a 3mm Allen key. Insert it in the compression screw and unlock the sensor from the mounting stud. Take the replacement sensor and pull off the tab delicately. Use a medium thread locker on the compression screw to ensure a strong hold during the mounting. The sensor closure check indicates the axial direction of the machine. Hand tight the compression screw with contact. Tight it with a quarter turn, holding the sensor to ensure a good maintain on the mounting stud. Your sensor is now replaced and ready for another 5 years.